जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता फर्स्ट चैप्टर 15th श्लोक. ऋषिकेश श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा blew his Panchajanya Sankham, Arjuna blew his Devadatta Sankham, and Bhimasena, the one who does all terrible deeds, he did his Poundra Sankhanadam. While having this scene run in our thoughts, thinking that we are sitting in the shoes of Arjuna in front of Sri Krishna Paramatma, and also visualizing that Krishna Paramatma giving his Gita-upadesam to us directly, let us chant the sloka. Panchajanyam Hrishikeso Devadattam Dhananjayah Poundram Dadhmau Mahasankham Bhimakarma Vrukodaraha. Om. Moral from this sloka which we have to practice. You are in a team. You must do your duty with enough patience and systematically. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends every one of us to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Keep passing down my Bhagavad Gita to all people that you know and to your next generations. If you do like that, you will become my most beloved devotee. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Srimannarayana, I realize that I am in a team and I shall do my job perfectly and systematically. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep passing down Srimad Bhagavad Gita to all people that I know and to my next generation. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Let us do Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasayyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Suka Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Srimannarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya Naranchaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Saunaka and all other Maharshis asking Suta Maharshi, saying that, O Maharshi, we heard Sri Suka Maharshi came into Hastina Also we heard, because Sri Shuka Maharshi looks like a mad person, in Hastinapuram nobody identified, nobody recognized his glory, his greatness. And O Suta Maharshi, how did the conversation took place between Parikshit Maharaj and Sri Shuka Maharshi? That is when Sri Shuka Maharshi taught entire Bhagavatam to Parikshit Maharaj, right? So we heard all that. Please tell us everything. Also we heard Sri Shuka Maharshi won't be standing and waiting in front of anyone's house, not even for few seconds. Sagodohana matram. Just like as and how the time takes for the milking the milk from a cow, only that much of time Shuka Maharshi waits in front of anyone's house, not more than that. Then how did this conversation happen between Parikshit Maharaj and Sri Shuka Maharshi? And how did Shuka Maharshi did 7-day discourse of Bhagavatam to Parikshit Maharaj? We would like to learn all those things. We also heard Parikshit Maharaj, who is the son of Abhimanyu, is a great devotee. So he left his kingdom. He came to Ganga Nadi Tiram, the banks of the Ganga river. And he sat over there and listened to the entire Bhagavatam. How did all that happen? Please tell us all details. O Suta Maharshi, we know that you do not know Veda, but we do realize that you have learned all the Puranas, which is the essence of Vedas. So that is why we are requesting you to disclose all the details about Srimad Bhagavatam. When Saunaka and other Maharshis requested like this, Suta Maharshi saying, O Maharshis, in Dwapara Yugam, to Satyavati and Parasara Maharshi, Vyasa is born. Vyasa is an effulgent spark of Sriman Narayana himself. That Vyasa Maharshi, one of those days, in the banks of Saraswati river, he was sitting in a meditation right in the morning time. He was thinking about all the future. The time is going so fast and time is making so many changes. Righteousness slowly, gradually decreasing, and the strength, the Shraddha, eagerness to observe righteousness in the people also gradually deteriorating. And dhairyam, that braveness also is going down in the people. And people also will become very, very alpaisya, and they won't be living for long time. And their memory power also is going down. Like this, Vyasa Maharshi with his Divya Drishti, with his wisdom eye, he started evaluating all the changes that are going to happen in future. And also he is thinking about how to give something which can bestow all kind of riches and peace of mind and the best benefits to the entire humanity. What can I give to this humanity which can give all benefits? Like this, Vyasa Maharshi was thinking in the banks of Saraswati river. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. कृष्णो रक्षतु नो जगत्त्रयगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्याम्यहम्। कृष्णेनामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः। कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्। कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता फर्स्ट चैप्टर 15th श्लोक। पाञ्चजन्यं हृषीकेशो देवदत्तं धनञ्जयः पौण्ड्रं दद्मौ महाशङ्खं भीमकर्मा वृकोदरः। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।